BMW redefines premium electric boating with its creative design and sustainable performance measuring 13 meters. From its spacious cabin adorned with plush seating, a table and a sofa reminiscent of a high-end lounge, to the smooth, virtually wave-free ride facilitated by the hydrofoils offering passengers an unparalleled boating experience akin to gliding on water more than a mere vessel. This exceptional vessel incorporates hydrofoils lifting the hull above the waterline to minimize drag and achieve an exciting top speed of 30 knots, powered by electricity, and equipped with high-voltage batteries, akin to BMW's iCars ensures sustainable and emission-free operation. The Icon represents innovative sustainability that would appeal to the sophisticated preferences of discriminating boat enthusiasts. Explore luxury with the Triton 660 EVA, a breakthrough submersible design offering unmatched underwater adventures. This technological wonder has the first freeform acrylic pressure hull in the world, providing a roomy and endlessly configurable inside for up to 9 people. Imagine sipping cocktails in a panoramic underwater bar, indulging in a gourmet meal surrounded by marine life, or even hosting an intimate wedding ceremony. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. The Triton EVA surpasses traditional twin-hold submersibles, providing triple the viewing volume. This agile craft dives to depths of 660 feet, perfect for exploring vibrant coral reefs, shipwrecks, or other hidden wonders of the deep. The Triton EVA fits perfectly with luxury yachts and cruise ships, thereby turning your journey into an amazing underwater adventure. Inspired by the Back to the Future movies, the Bartini, named for the innovative Soviet aviation designer Roberto Bartini, is an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft in development. Passionate about personal flying, the Bartini project worked with a top prototyping team in Russia to create a half-scale, ground-tested demonstrator using coaxial blades for enhanced thrust and noise reduction with fast speeds of up to 300 kilometers per hour. The Bartini elegant carrying body design lets one easily commute across cities in 15 minutes. In 2018, Rolls-Royce revealed a futuristic concept for an electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle aimed to transform personal air mobility. The design offered a flexible platform for many uses, including transporting passengers, cargo, or even military applications. Its adaptability sprang from tilting wings. Once airborne, their wings swung forward for a smoother, faster cruise mode. Propellers on the wings even folded away at cruising altitude, reducing dragon noise for a more comfortable flight. They spun upward for vertical takeoff and landing. The secret behind this EVTOL concept's remarkable range of 500 miles and cruising speed of 250 miles per hour was a hybrid propulsion system. A small gas turbine engine produced electricity to power the 6 electric propellers, so removing the need for frequent recharging. With the release of the Emotion aircraft, claiming the title of the most advanced EVTOL ever built, this all-electric aircraft sets sights on achieving unparalleled high cruise speeds and extended endurance, promising to fundamentally transform how we travel with whispers of exceeding current limitations of EVTOLs. Emotion aircraft suggests a time when air travel not only gets faster, but also may be more accessible for shorter flights and urban commutes, while precise specifications stay under wraps. The goal of the Motion aircraft to redefine electric flying has surely inspired the imagination, leaving us hungry to learn more about the technology and how it might transform our sky. CUDII, known as the world's first smart dog bed, promises to transform canine comfort and well-being. This clever bed is more than just a comfortable place to sleep. It has elements designed to pamper your pet and monitor their health. Imagine a bed that adjusts temperature to keep your dog cool or cozy, delivers a gentle massage to ease stress, and plays calming music to lull them into a restful sleep. CUDII has an app that allows you to personalize them. The software can also send out warnings if it detects any health dangers, giving you peace of mind. This high-tech bed prioritizes safety with built-in sensors and environmentally friendly cooling and heating technology. CUDII cuddling take on a whole new meaning, combining canine luxury with comprehensive health monitoring for the ultimate pampered pet. Designed for seamless integration into city landscapes with a modular design, the supernal Vertiport emerges as a revolutionary solution for the future of urban air mobility, ensuring quick deployment and customizing to adapt to various urban settings and traffic demands. Safety is still emphasizing urban aesthetics, paramount with integrated landing pad noise reduction systems and cutting-edge docking technologies. These Vertiports effortlessly blend into their surroundings and can incorporate public amenities or green spaces envisioned as part of a comprehensive transportation network. They offer multimodal connectivity, linking with public transit, and ride-hauling services committed to sustainability. Supernal Vertiports minimize environmental effect by using renewable energy sources and eco-friendly materials, goes beyond traditional limits to offer safe and environmentally friendly air travel inside cities. Designed as a mobile scientific outpost on wheels by space agencies like NASA, the Pressurized rover is transforming lunar research. Unlike past rovers, this one has pressurized living and working accommodations, therefore extending the stay possibilities of astronauts to days or even weeks. Acting as a mobile laboratory, this increases their exploration range and scientific activities by storing scientific apparatus and robotics, allowing on-site study without regular base returns. Astronauts can work safely for longer lengths of time because to the shielding protecting against moon radiation. From the base, the rover is operable remotely, which supports scientific research and gets ready for next crewed trips. It is a fundamental part of lunar research going forward and might open the path for a continuous human presence on the moon. The fantasy of personal flight approaches reality with ascend dynamics. Unlike conventional jetpacks, Skypak V1, an electric jetpack prototype, promises an exciting flight experience based on revolutionary backpack-style design. 12 electric propellers placed on a welded aluminum frame make up Skypak V1. Imagine search and rescue teams easily reaching remote locations, law enforcement gaining a unique aerial perspective, or firefighters tackling blazes from new angles. This configuration keeps the pilot's view unobstructed, ideal for tasks requiring precision. Ascend Dynamics offers autonomous choices for novices to guarantee safety, and several flight modes, including manual control for experienced users. Above all, constant testing and improvements on the Skypak V1 open the path for a time when personal electric jetpacks are no more science fiction. Rolls-Royce's spirit of innovation isn't just a marvel of engineering, it's also a record breaker. This all-electric aircraft soars as the world's fastest in its category, clocking in at an astonishing 556 kilometers per hour. The spirit of innovation destroyed the previous record by a remarkable 213 kilometers per hour. This powerhouse doesn't stop there. It has a 400-kilowatt electric motor generating over 500 horsepower and is furnished with the most energy-dense battery pack ever constructed for aeronautical applications, developed in partnership with Electroflight and YASA. The spirit of invention exemplifies Rolls-Royce's commitment to clean technology. It serves not just as a record holder, but also as a step toward an electric aviation future,